The Unjar pride has arrived, and they don't like what they see. A large pride of strange lions is holding their buffalo at bay. The Unjar is not the biggest pride, but these lions are ferocious. A Baobab lioness spots the Unjar entering the glade. There is nothing but pure foreboding in their advance. Now, two prides in the forbidden territory. Baobab lionesses on alert. Unjar in position. A young Unjar male breaks the ranks. Instinct drives him forward. His first encounter with female strangers in the flesh. Baobab lionesses challenge his insolence. An adult male would never tolerate a lioness's defiance. But there are no adult males here. Lionesses dominate both prides. And the Unjar leader is the most powerful lioness of them all. There can be no retreat. Every member of both prides will have to fight this battle. Their futures are at stake. The buffalo sense it.